Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 9 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to create the site. So we created the road and then we created the sidewalk. Now we're gonna continue working on this. What I want to do first is to actually create a swimming pool. And also I want to close this off so it's not showing too much. So maybe I'm gonna add in just a door right here. This is still going to be a visible grass part of the house, but it will have those entrance from here. So let's go to ground and then close this off. CS, gonna add in right here and then maybe right here, and then I'm just going to notch it in place. And then what I want to do is just to add a door right here. So we're going to create a door for this one, or we could just leave it like this so that all the entrance will be on this side. I'm just going to extend this one a little bit, so around maybe 9,000 from grid line A, so that's good enough. And then after that, we're going to edit this part, edit boundary. This boundary is floor number 6, so it will be grass. So I'm going to edit this part because I want my grass part to be only up to here or around, because I want still grass part right here. So I'm gonna shape it to my grass part. Maybe until here. And then I'm going to put this one to grass as well. So grass will be right here, and then I'm gonna close this off. So we need SL, split element, grass part there, and then grass part here, and then another one. And then SL here, and then SL here. So this grass part right here, I'm also here as well, so I'm gonna close this off. So trim here, and then trim here. SL here as well, so that this is not connected anymore. And then we could just leave it like that. And then of course it will show you if you messed up anything. So grass part, and then we have grass part right here along until here on this side, but we will need our concrete part here, and then maybe a wooden part. But let's create another wall. So exterior wall, I'm going to duplicate that, and then this will be our swimming pool. I'm going to make this one as 100 only, and then change this one to something that is tile. I'm gonna use this one, ceramic tile. And then here it could be level 1 first, top constraint, unconnected, base constraint. So I'm going to add this for now, change it, so this will be ground and this one will be here. This one should be negative 1500 and this one should be 0. So there we go. And then what we can do is 100 at the top, so that it's still at the top there. After this, go to ground again. We could model in place, generic model, extrusion, and then we put tile again, and then the same ceramic tile. After that, put something right here, and then we should move it down, and then move this one down. There we go. Then after that, go to ground floor again, create extrusion. We're gonna do water. And then after that, create a square again to have the water there, and then lower it. Good enough. So there we go. And then ground floor again. After the ground floor, we need to create the floor, edit, duplicate floor number 8, and then this one is another concrete material that is random. There we go. Press OK, and then OK, and then now we just need to pick line. We need to pick line around here. There we go. So now we just need to clean up. There we go. And then click finish. And then as you can see, we have our pull area right here. And then similar to this one, we're going to add a wall right here. Then I'm just going to align this one so that everything is properly connected. And then here I want to change this to the single glass door. So I'm happy with that. Also, let's go to south. I want to change this one, so I'm going to align this. So there we go. That looks really good. Everything is lining up properly. So now what I want to do is finish this part. So let's click on model in place. Let's save this project first, and then generic model, press OK, and then OK. And then after that, we need to click on sweep, pick path, and then we're going to select this path first. So we're gonna do it by sections because we have different kinds, like here. After this, pick finish, edit profile, and then we need to go to what we have right here, the crosser. And then here we need to add it. So this one will be 100. That's the height. And then after this, I'm going to put this one to 100 by 20. And then here we're going to add 50. And then we're going to trim this, or fillet arc, much better. Fillet arc to here. This one should be around, give me a second, I want 10 here, and then here should be 10. So this one is 10 by 50. And then here is 20 by 100. And then let's click finish, and then finish. Let's set the material to one of the concrete. And then let's choose a random again. So C3545. I'm gonna use that. I need to remember that so that I could use it on other sides. So here as well, I'm gonna do this. So sweep, pick path, and then we're gonna choose our path. I'm gonna choose this one so that it's near here. I don't need to look for it afterwards. Click finish, and then edit profile, 20 by 100. That's the height right here, and then this one is 20, and then after that 10 by 50 right here. And then fillet arc 10. Click finish, and then finish again. So it's looking good right there as well. And then we need to do it on this side as well. Click sweep, pick path, pick this path right here, and then click finish, edit profile, and then select this one. 20 right here, 50 by 10 here. So you always select the ones that you want to move. So that's why I selected this. I want it to be moved because this is our reference there. So 10 right here, delete here, fillet arc, and then 10. And then click finish, and then finish. And then we want to make sure that this is selected. 35, 45, and then here as well, 35, 45, to be consistent. And then lastly, I know it's not gonna be shown properly, but we want it to be consistent so that every view, even this one, we're gonna do that as well, because we want everything, every view will be consistent, and even though it's too far away, you know that you covered everything. Click finish, edit. This is 20. And then 50 by 10. Fillet arc. 10 right here. And then delete this one. Finish. Finish. And then we have everything there added. And then lastly right here, pick path, the top there, edit profile, zoom in so that you can see it properly, and then here make sure this is 100 only, and then 20 right here. After that, this one again, 10 by 50, delete here, and then fillet arc. After that, finish, and then double check that where materials are added properly, and then there you go. As you can see, we have our sidewalk. And then let's double check everything. I want to add a door right here now. So let's go to our south elevation, and maybe we could just add a door. I'm going to put in a door right here. Something that is not visible, or it's going to be subtle. It's not going to be attention grabbing. I'm going to go back. I'm going to do commercial. I'll do this one. And then add it here. And then I'm going to edit this one so that the height is not too much. So maybe 1800 instead of 2000. And then pick a host again. And we want to make sure that this is cell height. I think that's good enough. I'm gonna go south, and what I'm seeing here, I'm gonna pull it down. I'm gonna pick host again, like that. I think that's good enough for me. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.